Hey, welcome back.
What's up guys, this is Darius and welcome back to another video. So today I'll be reviewing eCoverly, which is a really cool software that allows you to create animated eCovers, right? And as you can see here on the screen, these are some of the templates that you can use, right? But this is basically the first and the only software that creates these kind of animated eCovers. And these are really cool. And obviously you can create eCovers like normal eCovers like these ones here, and you can also create mockups and much more. But the main idea and the main USP of this product is animated eCovers, which is a first. And obviously you can use these to sell your courses, digital products in general, where you can add these kind of eCovers to your landing pages or sales pages and stuff like that. So no matter where you want to sell online, any digital product, info courses, softwares, ebooks, reports, spreadsheets, doesn't matter, you can use this software to create all your eCovers, including mockups and animated eCovers. So this is a really cool software. I really like it, and I will show you obviously how this works and what's inside of this members area. But before I do so, I just want to mention that I left a link below in the description of this YouTube video, and if you click on that, you will be redirected to my website where you can find more information about eCoverly, including the pricing, the upsells. But I will talk about the pricing later on in this video. And there is also a bundle deal, which the bundle, you will essentially get the whole funnel from the front-end offer up until upsell 5, right? So we have the front-end offer and 5 upsells to get all of these at a one-time payment, even discounted. And if you scroll down the page, you will also find my bonuses. All of these bonuses are free part of your purchase if you decide to pick up eCoverly through my link. Now, as you can see, this is the members area. We have the main menu on the left hand side, and let me start with one of these animated eCovers to show you how this works. So on top we have another menu, but we'll go with animated because this is where you will find all these animated eCovers. And also on the left hand side, as you can see, we have these categories, right? So business, investing, education, games, and stuff like that. Now let me grab one of these to use it. So we have these kind of books on a laptop, on a big screen like a TV, iPad, iPhone, iMac, and stuff like that. Books with a CD. So yeah, I will just quickly use one of these. But as you can see, we have this icon, right? So this is a premium template, and you will find these only if you buy the upsell number 1, I think, which is the pro version, right? So quickly, let me grab these. Now we'll click on use, and you will be redirected to the editor. So we have this template, right? And this being a template obviously can be customized as you wish. We can change the font, we can change the text, you can arrange this title as you want, drag and drop builder. So yeah, pretty cool. Now let's say, for example, we have this text 4, right? Now if you want to change the text, all you have to do is just come here on the right hand side, and let me remove the camera. So come here and change it as you wish. So let's say your description, right? And I will click on apply, and as you can see, this text has been applied. Now obviously this is so big, so you have this slider here, so I'll make it smaller like so. And this is something else. Now obviously this text can be customized as well. Heavy training, let's say. Now click on apply, and as you can see, it appears here. Now under the text, as you can see here, you can bold it, you can do it italic, underline, and so on. We can change the font if you want. So we have the font style, like elegant, casual, impact, and so on. And we also have the font name. So yeah, you can change your font from here, like so. As you can see, it changes. We also have the font size. You can also add a shadow if you want to your text, and also some outlines. And we also have the casing, right? And also the direction, horizontal or vertical. So if you want to make this text to look vertical, you can do so as well. So I will leave it horizontal because it's better for this design. But in a nutshell, guys, I mean, this is really easy to use, right? With the text and fonts and stuff like that. We also have the transparency. We also have the positioning. So with the positioning, if I turn this wheel like so, as you can see, it changes the style of the text, right? But I will just leave it like that, maybe. And obviously you can make it bigger, like from here if you want to, right? Just like that. With this one as well, and also with this one as well. You can move it around like so. I will leave it like that. Now also, if you want to change the color of your text, we have this box here that shows that our text is white, so you can change your color from here. And we also have this slider, so yeah, you can change the color, but I will leave it on white. Now I will click on apply color, and this is my color. Now on the left hand side, we also have another menu. So for example, if you want to add more text, we have these add text here, right? And let's say this is the new text. So if you want to add it, you can click on this button and it will be added here. And again, you can change it around, change the color, the font, make it bigger, make it smaller, and so on. We also have this clip art, okay? And under the clip art, we also have some categories like 3D graphics and so on. So if you want to add these, you can add these as well. And we have colored as well, shapes, and so on. So for example, I want to add these, I can add these as well, right? But I don't really want it, so I will click on this delete button here. We also have images, and under the images, we have the uploads. You can upload your own images. We also have the library, like static and also animated. So in this case, we have this animated eCover. So yeah, you can basically find a bunch of elements, animated elements that you can add to your canvas. So let me quickly add this one. As you can see, has been added. And maybe I want to make this smaller, obviously. And I will delete this text, put this guy here, right? And there we go. Maybe a bit bigger, but I think you get the idea. And you can also change the angle of this guy. So yeah, and you can also play around with the width, like so from here, the height as well. And also you can arrange these canvas. I mean, this is all about layers, right? And you can arrange these layers like backward, forward, to back, or in front. So yeah. Now under the images, so we have the library. We also have stock images, premium GIFs. If you want to add these, we can add these as well. And these are the categories. We also have emojis. You can add a bunch of stuff to this canvas. So let me add these, for example. Again, make it smaller, like so. And again, same options we have here on the right hand side. Now under the backgrounds, we also have the library, and we have the static backgrounds, but also we have the animated backgrounds. So let me zoom in a bit, and you can choose from a bunch of backgrounds. So yeah, we have only color, and we also have these premium ones, which are really cool. But again, you have to be on the pro version if you want to get these as well. Now, for example, if you don't like what you have created, like in my case, this was just for the demo purpose to show you how it works and what you can find inside eCoverly. But you can reset this template as well. So we have this reset template button. And if I click on that, click on reset, it's going to reset the entire template. Like so. So if you want to start from scratch, you can start from scratch as well. And also we have these plus and minus buttons here, so you can zoom in and zoom out. And on the right hand side, we have the brightness. This is the brightness for the canvas. And we also have this color. Now these colors can be changed for the editor, right? As you can see, it changes. So yeah, now once you're done, all you have to do is basically just give your animated eCover a name. So this is test 1. And I will click on save. And now it's saved. I can also preview this eCover. like so, as you can see on this iMac. Now, before I download this template, I want to render it. So I want this eCover to be rendered. So I click on this generate button here, and I will click yes, proceed. Now this will take a few minutes, a few seconds, depending on the project. But as you can see, it's going pretty fast. And if it's taking too long, we have this message here. And if you want to leave this screen, you can press on leave. And when the eCover is done, you will get an email telling you that, yeah, your eCover is now ready to download. And now, as you can see, this is it. So we have more options here, like full screen view, if you want to see this in full screen. And it does looks pretty cool. I will go back, and we also have this get sharing URL. I will click on that, and you can basically sell this URL to some of your clients if you have clients, or you sell these to your clients. You can also add clients inside this software, and you can generate a URL and send these cover to your clients. But in order to get the URL, you will have to add a client, and this will generate a URL that you can send to your customer. Now we also have a watermark option here. So if you want these eCover to be watermarked, you can basically add your text here. So let's say Darius read, and then you can select the layout, like this one maybe. I'm not quite sure if you can see them because they are pretty transparent. So let me zoom in. But as you can see, this is the watermark. Not quite sure if you can see it, but it's there, right? So all I have to do now is just click on download, and this will be downloaded to my computer. And there we go. And we have large GIF, medium GIF, and small GIF. And basically, this is it. This is the animated eCover that we have created inside eCoverly, right? So yeah, I will exit from this dashboard, click on save and exit, and let me show you now what are the mockups and templates we have inside eCoverly. And if I go to eCovers here, we have a bunch of templates, and basically all you have to do is just select one of these, maybe this one, and then select the type of mockup you want to use, edit it, and basically that's it. Animated, we also have these group shots, like the bundles, right, which you can create inside of eCoverly, which are really cool. We also have mockups. You can create mockups like on a laptop, on an iPad, on a mobile phone. So yeah, canvas and stuff like that, photo frame, even build these in cars. Yeah, they look pretty nice. And we also have my projects. All of your projects will be here. One click magic, this is what I want to show you. So one click magic, basically what this does is going to turn one of these 2D static eCover into multiple different templates. So let me show you how this works. So you have to select your eCover, and we have this wand here at the bottom that says one click magic. And if I click on this one, what's going to do from this template here is going to transform it into multiple types of eCovers. And I will click on transform, and here we are. So by default is going to create some eCovers that are related to your eCover, which is this one here. Okay, so as you can see, we have this one with the green mark that are already done, and you can download them, right? But if I go down, maybe we want to change this eCover into, I don't know, to a mobile phone. If I click on this button which says need some tweaks, I will click on this, and basically this will bring you to the editor to customize your template if you want to. And here basically you will do your thing, and I will click on save and exit, and this is it. This one is done as well, and all you have to do is just click on this button to download these eCovers to your computer. And as you can see, here they are. We have this template. So, and obviously you will want to edit the template before you download it, okay? But in a nutshell, this is what eCoverly can do with this one click magic, right? So yeah, you can do this for a laptop as well, for TVs and all of these templates. Now, if I go here on the Gigs Hero, this is where you can basically find work. So if you want to sell these and you want clients to sell these services, these will find jobs, right? So you can contact people and yeah, offer your services. And then we have the clients. This is where you can add your clients. We also have the tutorials and also the support, right? So yeah, pretty cool software. I really like it. I mean, this is a first. I haven't seen anyone creating a software that creates animated e-covers. So this is brand new. Now what I will do, I will show you the pricing. So the front-end offer will be $37, but after that you will be presented with some upsells. Now the pro version will be $97 per year, and yeah, this is the first one, and this will give you a ton of templates, a ton of new features, and all of these features can be seen here, right? You have the one-click magic transformation, more storage, more customization, more features and stuff like that, and also a bunch of new templates. Upsell number 2 will be bundles and mockups, $97. And with this one, you get the mockups, which I showed you here, the mockups and also the group shots, right? So this is upsell number 2 and also more templates. Upsell number 3 will be Prime, $47. And this will give you more templates, more animation, assets, more everything on a monthly basis. Okay, so each month you will get 10 new animated templates and also 20 new static templates. Okay, upsell number 4 will be Gigs Hero, $47. And this is the thing that I showed you here, where you can find work, so you can sell these kind of services. We also have upsell number 5, which is Agency Edition, $97, and this will give you agency features that you can basically find here. Now, as I said at the beginning of the video, we also have the bundle deal, and the bundle will give you everything: front-end offer, upsell 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 at a one-time discount and payment of $347. One-time payment, and then you will have to pay yearly $97 so you can keep the Pro Edition. But anyway, the Pro Edition, upsell number 1, even if you get it like normally after you buy the front-end offer, even if you don't buy the bundle, you will have to pay $97 per year for the Pro version. Now again, scroll down the page, you will also find my bonuses, and all of these bonuses are free part of your purchase if you decide to buy eCoverly through my link. Now, if you want the front-end offer and maybe one of these upsells, all you have to do is just click on this purple button. But if you want to get the bundle, click on this green button. So guys, I think that should wrap it up. This software, it's absolutely pretty cool. I mean, again, this is new. And if you sell these kind of services, like if you're a freelancer, if you're an agency, someone who sells any kind of digital service, you will be among the first people to sell this kind of services, animated e-covers. So yeah, I will end this video here, guys, and hopefully you found this video helpful, and I will really appreciate it if you could smash the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. And basically, I will catch you up in my next video. Until then, have a good day. Bye bye.